Hi guys, in this video we will learn about class name or how you can select the HTML tag with the class. CSS is not limited to selecting elements by tag name. HTML elements can have more than just a tag name. They can also have attributes. One common attribute is the class attribute. It is also possible to select an HTML by its class attribute. For example, consider the following HTML. And here is the example, and we have the class attribute with the value of a brand. The paragraph element in the example above has a class attribute within the p tag. The class attribute is set to brand. To select this element using the CSS, we could use the following CSS selector. This is how you should use the class name in the CSS. You write the dot followed by class name. So in this case it is dot brand, and with this selector you will select this p element. To select an HTML element by its class using CSS, a period must be prepended to the class name. In the example above case, the class is brand, so the CSS selector for it is dot or a period and then followed by brand. Instructions for this exercise: install.css, add a CSS selector for the HTML element with a class of title, so period followed by title, and let's run or save our code. And now inside the curly braces of the title selector you just declared, okay, write color teal. This code will change the color of the title to teal since the title h1 element has a class of title in the HTML. You can see the HTML element by navigating to index.html on line 11. It is right here. We have the class attribute with the title value inside, and we selected that element right here and changed its color, its text color. We'll see in a later exercise why using that title overrides the h1 selector, but first let's save our code. Yes, we changed the color, as you can see, and we will see later in later exercise why using the title class selector overrides the h1 selector right here. So with this CSS rule, we just overrode this CSS rule with the h1 selector. So we are selecting the same element here. Okay, this should be all for this exercise. Let's continue to the next one.